AskOyinkan here, and today's video is all about, oh my gosh, is this another beauty video twice in 1 week? We got 2 beauty videos in 1 week, girl. Yes, girl. So I hear lots of good things about the Patrick Starrr eyeliner. I've literally not heard one bad thing about it yet. So in this video, we will be comparing the Patrick Starrr eyeliner. Girl, I'm trying to open this. Oh wow, I'm supposed to open it on the other side. This is Bodacious Black, girl. That's the color. I guess it comes in different colors. I don't remember. I got it from Sephora, but I don't remember. This is pretty. I think it retails for $19 or something like that. Anyway, I almost messed it up. Anyway, girl, so we're comparing it to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eyeliner. Is it called eye pencil? Eye pencil. We're comparing it to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil. Why? Because I've been using this eye pencil for the past few months exclusively now. I haven't really used any other eyeliner but this because it's so good. It's so perfectly super duper black, just the way I like it. So I want to see how this is compared to the Patrick Starrr Bodacious Black. Is it called Bodacious Black? Let me not lie. The Patrick Starrr Point Made 24/7 liner. Liquid eyeliner. Wow, but this is liquid and this is pencil. Maybe this is not a good comparison because liquid and pencil be doing different things. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I'm not doing a wear test. Sorry. I'm not doing a wear test. I'm just, I want to have a self-care day, and my self-care days involve not wearing makeup. But that's not happening. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications as well. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all the places, all the socials. You know them. I don't remember at this moment. My earrings are the Paradise earrings from the Befitting Style Bliss collection. Befitting Style is my style blog as well as my accessories line with handmade earrings made by moi. So definitely check it out, girl. I think these are cool because these are like perfect for neutral lovers, like for my girls who do not want to throw on a piece of color for nothing. These earrings are for you because it's just the perfect brown, the perfect tan, the perfect little antique golden shade that's just easy breezy lemon squeezy to just throw on with many different looks. Okay, let's get ready to as you can see, I started my face already. So we're just gonna get right into the Jackie Anastasia Beverly Hills palette because I love to use edges as my crease color. And then we're gonna get into the Pat McGrath palette for the rest of my face. Well, mostly the rest of my face. Oh, and I'm also using this dark little Credit. It's a really great like little corner shade. If you're dark like me and you want like a nice cute little dark corner shade, I would say Credit. My makeup always starts off messy, but it looks better at the end. Now we're gonna get into, I never know the shade names because she didn't do it, like she didn't put it at the bottom like anyone else would. But we're gonna get into this copper situation right over here. I love her. She is so pretty. And I'm just gonna place her like right. I miss this palette. Yo, I haven't worn this palette in mad long, yo. Mad long. Like mad long. I miss, oh gosh. This used like, it just, I know it's messy right now, but y'all know you gotta bear with me because it always ends up looking popping at the end, girl. Popping at the end. Oh, and I know my brows look jacked up. It's so thick. Like it's not, this one looks mad thick and this one is just, I don't even know, scarce. So I gotta get it together. Wow, this is a mess. She's messy, but I'll clean her up with foundation and concealer. Well, not foundation. You guys know I've only been using the Eavesdrop, the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop situation. It's like so good. Like let me know if you use the Eavesdrop situation. It's really good actually. This is not the most blended eye ever, but we move. We move, we continue in life. We do not let things stop us from progress because, oh sorry, this is the golden. Woo! The first one was the bronzy one and now I'm putting the golden one on like right in the middle-ish just to give a little, you know, just a, that's all. I love this. Now I'm going to eavesdrop. As if that's like a thing. Eavesdrop. Oh, are we running out? I hope I'm not running out because I was literally just at Sephora. I could have picked, oh, I'm good. I was about to say, I could have picked one up if I was running out. Oh my gosh, I hate, oh my gosh. I don't like getting foundation stain on my clothes because, and when it comes to the eavesdrop, I literally just blend her out with my finger. I don't, yeah, because she's so easy breezy. I use a shade 21, by the way, because I'm a 445 on the foundation. So 21 gets me right. I just love how lightweight the eavesdrop is. I love how like, it's just easy breezy for me to use. I'll fix my brows a little later, probably with the concealer. And I don't even conceal my brows anymore. I stopped doing that a long time ago, but looks like I might have to do that this time, and that's okay. That's okay. These braids are so overdue to get taken out, girl. Overdue. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Point Made. We're gonna go in with the, first of all, can we talk about the one size? Girl, can we talk about the one size Brandon? Isn't she like fab? Yes, I have the lashes. I've been wearing these lashes exclusively for like the past 2 months now. At least 2 months. This is the I've Arrived lashes. So whenever you see me with the biggest lashes you've ever seen on my face, it's the Patrick Starrr one size I've Arrived. It's so good. Ah, it's so good. It's nice and big and bodacious. And then when I first saw it, I thought I couldn't handle it. But now I'm like in love with super big lashes. And not that I can't turn back. It's just, I don't know, girl. I'm just used to it now. I don't know. But let's get into this liner, girl. So this is the Patrick Starrr one size liner. I'm going to do it on my right size because I'm a righty. So I'm trying to be fair, right? I have months or over a year of experience using the Urban Decay one, so I can do it on either side and not mess up as much. But because this is brand new, I want to use it. I want to use it on a side that's easier for me to... It really just like glides on. Is this called like a glide on? Is that what he calls it? No, he doesn't. That's what Urban Decay calls there. It really just like, it glides on. I messed up, but I'm gonna fix it with concealer, don't worry. But this is really good, actually. Kind of want to do, low-key want to do the other side. Nah, let me use this real quick. So this is the Urban Decay Glide-On 24/7. They both are 24/7 eyeliners. Yeah, they're both just as black, by the way. Let me get a little closer, because I'm gonna be messy if I don't get in this mirror. Girl, I'm cleaning that up with concealer, don't worry. See, you can't tell, like, it's more, a liquid liner is always gonna give you more precision than a pencil liner, but when it comes to the blackness, they're both just as black, I feel like. Okay, it's literally not even a full 1%, it's like a 0.4% blacker than the Urban Decay liner. See how I clean that up? So I'm gonna prep. I'm gonna prep the I've Arrived lashes. So in the meantime, while that's drying, I'm just going into this shade right over here and I'm gonna put it in my brow bone. Love. Oh, I forgot to touch up my, oh, maybe I can catch that while I blend out. I could just, I'll probably do it just like that. I'm blending out with the LA Colors blending sponge. I'm trying to see if I can low-key catch my brows, but I don't, girl. I might just end up having a bad brow day and just call it a day. Cause I don't know. My hair is a mess, the brow's a mess. This is why I need self-care. Why is it doing that? It's like, ah! Oh my gosh. I smudged. I'm so over everything today. Like, over everything, yo. If over it was a person, it would be me. It's just, is it normal to, I'm gonna shut up. I'm just frustrated. Trying to fix my issue here. I don't know if I could fix that. I think whatever. Usually I put Pat McGrath under my eye, but I'm just gonna go back to doing Beauty Bakery under my eye. I think the Pat McGrath was making me be cakey. Maybe I was heavy-handed. I don't know, but I'm not trying to be cakey today. Putting the lashes on, girl. So far, so good. I'm just gonna take off my under eye. I gotta wash these brushes. I'm gonna take off my under eye so that I can do my mascara. Yeah, I just feel like my makeup comes out better. I don't know, but I feel like it's more, it's not as cakey with just the Beauty Bakery setting powder. I just think I don't know. I love Pat McGrath, but the Beauty Bakery one seems to agree with me more nowadays. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I already told you about this mascara, girl. You already know my current favorite bronzer, girl. The Fenty. Hey. I mean, I could go into this copper situation for my cheekies. Okay, I'll do it. She's just cute. If you blend her really well, it just goes like right on. And I have a little bit of water brat left on this brush also. So it just all works out perfectly fine. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Yeah, she's cute. She's so cute. And then I'm gonna go into this cute girl over here, and I'm gonna go into this golden shade. See how she looks on the inner corner. Yeah, she's cute. Why don't I use this palette as much? This is such a good palette. I literally got it because of the packaging. Like, you know, Pat McGrath. I just realized I wasn't recording, so I don't know what the last thing I recorded was. But I put this gold situation in my inner corner, and now I'm about to, I had to re-up on the Sephora Molasses liner. It's so flipping good. I'm so happy happy to have a new one. I've been using brow pencil on my lips this entire time. Not this entire time, but like for the past maybe month, maybe a few weeks, I've been using that, and it's just, no, nothing compares to molasses. But what I was using is Maybelline. It was actually pretty good. The Maybelline brow pencil thingy, whatever. So I'm gonna just touch up my lip a little bit, touch up my nose a lot of it. I may have overdone it with the lips. May have overdone it. Lippies! I'm going into, wow, I grabbed mascara for lippies. I'm bugging. I'm totally like out of it. I'm going into the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice for this. It goes really well with the eyes too. The thing about a lip liner is that it blends better. It blends better with a lip liner than... You don't realize how much you appreciate lip liner until you run out of lip liner and you start using brow pencil as your lip liner, but it blends way better. So this is the finished look, girl. How did I do? Are we cute? Yes, we are. We're cute without makeup, but this is cute too. But yeah, so final consensus on the Patrick Starrr One Size liquid eyeliner compared to the Urban Decay eye pencil. They're both 24-hour pencils, so they're both supposed to last super duper long. They both glide on super duper well. They both, I think they're really good. I mean, what I do like about this one is that it's not shifting. Like I just touch, rub, and it's not on my finger, but this one would be. But of course it's a pencil, right? So we're not gonna use that as a standard of judgment. But I do think they're both pretty well. I think the Urban Decay one is so good. Because to be a pencil and to be of this level of dark, you don't understand how many pencils are out there that claim to be black and they're not as black as they should be. Like, as a dark-skinned woman, I notice that more. I think when you're a lighter skinned, you don't notice how something is not as black as it should be until like you have dark skin and you're trying to put something on your skin that should show a particular way and it's really not hitting because you can tell. You just can tell, okay? So I'm excited. So if you're a pencil girl, you can definitely go for the Urban Decay Glide-On 24-hour pencil. But if you love a liquid eyeliner situation, I would say go for the One Size. The One Size is really good. It's like, also if you're that girl who feels like it's hard to put on eyeliner because you mess up super easily, I think One Size makes it kind of easy to do so. This side is One Size liner and this side is the Urban Decay liner, and it's not as much of a difference in quality as you can see if you're looking at it right now. Like, it's not as much of a difference in quality. I like it. I like them both. I'm just impressed by how much they really do compare. It's not much of a difference. I love it. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Urban Decay liner on this side. Let me know what you think about the One Side liner on this side. If you think there's much of a difference, let me know. I don't think there's that much of a difference. I do think that if you're that girl who smudges really easily or whatever the case may be, go for the Patrick Starrr. Go for the One Size, because I messed up right here and it just started going everywhere because it's a pencil. I think a liquid one is easier in that sense, but the choice is always yours. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. My earrings are linked down below. These are from the new Befitting Style Bliss collection, handmade by moi, of course. Follow me on all my socials, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all those good places. Snapchat? Oh man, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Yes.